Anemone Frilly Knickers, a new form of anemone brought out for you to buy in 2020. Hello, Rosy Hardy from Hardy's Cottage Garden Plants. We have brought out a brand new anemone this year. This is Anemone Frilly Knickers. Look at the beautiful double flower that you've got here. Lovely golden centre and then the most amazing reverse to the flower. It's a gorgeous lilac blue and that actually filters through, and as the flower gets older it becomes paler, more white but still with the blue reverse. Lots of lovely double buds, so wherever you see the flowers you'll see a bit of reverse, you'll see a bit of the front. Growing up to somewhere between 55 and 60 centimetres high, and it is a clump forming perennial. It is not going to go wandering off anywhere. So this is an anemone that has been bred for a semi-shady spot to a shady spot. It will tolerate full sun for part of the day, dappled shade, but it does not want to be in full sun all day long. Reasonable soils, it'll tolerate clay, alkaline soils, but it does need a good amount of moisture, so a good amount of garden compost in there. And remember, it's just going to be a clump, so its foliage will make around about 30 to 45 centimetres after it's about 3 to 4 years old. A really good new form for late summer into autumn, carrying on probably until about the end of September, October. If you've enjoyed the video on that particular plant, why not visit our website, hardysplants.co.uk. There you can buy the plant and maybe browse many other varieties which you will be able to put into your garden.